2010 Mazda 6. No rear brakes. Let's see. Alrighty. I didn't lift the new shit down. Came off easy. Easy peasy squeezy. Oh, couldn't find a flathead, but this will do. And what these will do is just pop out like this. Another job of no brake pad at all. We'll see the difference once I pop out this back one. How the new one looks compared to the I was just a plate I wasn't able to break yet. Just that little dirtiness from that plate did that much. Oh, looks like I gotta get in. I would say you don't need a hammer like this, but it's always best just to have the hammer. Try to get this out your way. Just put something. That'll help you. Put it from the screw to whatever. If it pops back in, not a good idea. Crazy things I haven't seen. Rotor move horribly, but that's the rear brake pad. So, looking at the front, I've been looking at the rear pad. come with the plates. These will actually be not for this side, just be for the leather rear. Let's see. Well, looks like that's kinda don't look like the same as these, but who knows and who cares. Alright, so the metal we can take off. It's gonna be garbage anyway. You can measure it one up top. Just line it up. Look at that. Pop this in. Smash my finger. Most people leave the tabs on. It's actually going to the mechanic shop where you get all of it replaced. That's how it goes, folks. So, pop off the bottom one. String, so you want to be careful. It'll pop in your face. Look at the bottom one. The bottom one should match. You do the same thing you just did up top to the bottom. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually tap it in a little bit of force all around. So that way I don't get my fingers snagged up, because like I said, hopefully I wasn't blocking the video like my hand is, but like I said, I have this just holding it. So now I'm just gonna push that in. Okay, so found a special tool I needed. Tool is this bullshit that you gotta get. Excuse my language. Sprayed it down with some. Turn it to the length that it needs to be. there, buddy. Guess it doesn't hold itself anymore. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Righty tighty. Lefty loosey. Righty tighty. Just coming out with more simpler tools nowadays. By the way, this is a privately owned vehicle. It's not for a customer. It's actually my girlfriend's car. She's supervising. She's behind me. You could actually go rent this tool, which you put on your card, and you just go back and they give you money back. So this is the proper tool because a seat clamp like this only works on certain brakes. As you put on the brake pad like this, and then you just squeeze it in, and it'll go in. But with this specialty, you need this tool to turn it, and then you want to make sure that bushing is not all beat up and pushed in like all crazy. Let's make sure I did that correctly. You don't want the bushing all beat up. So it's tight. Loosen a little bit. Sorry, be my own cameraman. That could fall out. So it's as flush as possible. You don't want to overdo that, because if you do, you'll regret it. That's just for these types of calipers. Now, we're going to put a special tool back in to hold this. So I don't pinch my finger and break it like I broke this one. Excuse me for the middle finger. And then we're going to take the other brake pad and go behind it. Make sure that doesn't all want to snap at one time. Yes, the back brakes are always the most complicated ones. Like I said, the rear brakes are the most complicated ones. Sometimes. Trusty hammer. That falls apart on you. Just like that. See? Trusty hammer. See if it's fall apart. That's how you have a trusty hammer. Later on in the future, I'll use a hammer. I appreciate it. And as the two brakes is on, make sure it's flush. Shake it. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta beat it the right way. Torque specs, like I said, I don't read them. Don't care for them. If you want to know them, check out a video that has torque specs on these brakes.